dude. Come on.
Yeah.
I ain't fixing it again.
Try.
Oh, that's a thorn bush.
Oh. That hurt. You know? I'm pretty sure my truck ain't gonna make it this far.
Shep, you're lucky you get down here.
I know. Well, I didn't think I could make it under that damn branch.
My four-wheeler's safe where it's at.
I hope mine does too. That's why I kind of fucked up the woods. Well.
Come on, Griffey.
Have to show this to Mac and the boys. We got a truck going over here yet.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
What? Who's driving that?
Yeah, just have to leave until it freezes up again. I like you sticking your head out the window so you can see where you're going. You mean they didn't even make sure your wipers work?
They did. See your dad? Big mouth man there's walking up. There, your
Walk
dad.
in there. Walk up
What do you think you got to come get these out?
Sorry, honey.
I mean,
Well,
never thought about that to begin with.
I got a dozer over there, but you got a dozer. I mean, if that's kind of a big tree right there. If you know, right there by the spill, you know, right straight in front of your truck off to the right. If you can cable it and then drive on the dam and then keep the cable down on a tree, it might pull you straight to it. I gotta go fix that cable. It's
Only got one loop.
only got one loop on it.
Do you have another cable?
Well, no, because we broke that one in half. Who's this? This is Paul's. You see the big custom exhaust? I'm gonna run this up to the house real quick. Give that to Nate, please.
Hey, Matt.
Thank you.
You need another clevis to hook on that thing?
I got one in the back
Matt,
of the truck.
there's a bar. There's
In the middle?
a big square piece of tubing just wrapped around that square tubing. It'll be right there between the frame rails. You'll feel it. Well, well, you might want to go ahead and start it, but I wouldn't try spinning too much because you liable to end up keep going that way. Mark can pull you with it running. You have steering. I'd let him do that.
Hey, I got it, guys. You guys stay dry.
Good job.
You guys stay dry. I got another clevis, yeah. Is that enough, Mark? We're gonna need a. I just have to go ahead and hook it to the dozer.